This is Trinity Place. Here's the back of Tower 4, completely, well not completely, but nearly filled in. Tower 3, I'm surprised there's still nothing going on with it right now. Here's Tower 3. Looks like more glass and the mechanical vents have been added, but still no vertical construction. There's One World Trade with the construction elevator now being dismantled. Here's the back of Tower 3. I really want to see Tower 3 start up. So a lot of the fins are being added for the transportation hub. It's really taking shape now. A lot of progress has been made. This entire site has come a very long way, and it's great to see it develop. The main portion is almost done. Another 2 months. There's Tower 3 World Trade Center. Towers 1 and 3 are my absolute favorites. I mean, of course I like all the towers, but I like the designs of 1 and 3 the best. Tower 4 is unique. Here again is that construction elevator. In Tower 2, unfortunately, there's absolutely nothing happening with it. It's still exactly the same, which is unfortunate because I like Tower 2's design as well. I like all the towers here. But yep, Tower 2 has absolutely nothing. Still the same. But yeah, I like all the towers here. Tell me, which one is your favorite? Alright, this is Broadway and Fulton Street. Here's just another look at One World Trade Center straight on from here. Now, if that construction elevator is being dismantled, it's been 2 months, I'm guessing it'll be about another 3 or 4 before it gets down even lower towards the base. At the same time, I believe part of it will stay because they're still bringing in supplies for the internal work. Just like it is on Tower 4.